Hey, it's Boudreaux and Eunice on call. How y'all are this evening? Well, we lost the first video on the shrimp sauce and gravy, and I had this unit charging, but here's the shrimp gravy as it's just about done there. So this is gonna be part two. Pat do. Alright. So, you know, like a two-step. Yeah. Pat do. La danse de pat do. Alright. That's our shrimp gravy right there with them nice big Gulf shrimp. Chef, bon Dieu. My buddy David Chauvin down in Chauvin, Louisiana. He caught some shrimp not long ago in this butterfly net and this papillon. Caught some 1620s. Yeah, way bigger than this. And we fixing to throw some fried shrimp. Some shrimp in the grease to make fried shrimp. So, and then we got the rice right there. And that famous, world famous Hitachi rice cooker. Oh yeah. So look, we got the hot grease, 350 something degrees right there, about 351, 352. And then Miss Missy. Say hi, Miss Missy. Say how y'all are.
Hi.
She says she fine, not how y'all are.
No, I said, come on. I don't want to be on.
Oh, come on. She don't want to be on the video. Oh, boy. All right. We got, what, 18 fried shrimp, you said?
18.
Yeah, but we're only going to do 9 at one time because we don't want to overload this little granddaddy fryer. So, oh, yeah. That's good. About 4 minutes right there. It's going to be awesome. And, by the way, LSU won. What was it, Miss Missy?
45-16.
45-16. LSU over Ole Miss.
We won.
So, well, I think that makes, every game LSU played so far. Every game they won. I hope they go to the big bowl, you know, the college bowl, BCS bowl. I don't know. They had an easy schedule. They played Louisiana Tech, and then they played Southeast Louisiana. So, you know, if Alabama wins all their games and LSU wins all their games, well, Alabama had a harder road schedule, than LSU. So, but, well, I tell you what, this is going to be awesome. And what's more awesome on a grand samedi au soir than shrimp sauce, fried shrimp, LSU winning, and K-Ball radio on the radio, and I'll put a sticker on here. Oh, Missy, wash your little ducks. Look at that. Louisiana Proud. K-Ball 101.1 FM. www.kbone.com. Y'all go over there, and that sticker, I should have put it over my tuning knob. Because that tuning knob, well, I didn't have to. That tuning knob is super glued right there to K-Bone. Yep, it does not move. No way it moves. So anyway, y'all go to kbone101.1.com and they'll send y'all some stickers like that if y'all want some. You know, you can go to their website and buy some t-shirts and stuff. You know, I always wear a K-Bone shirt. Let's see if we can get that in view right there. Let's see. I'm gonna hide my bald head.
There's his K-Bone.
Louisiana Proud, baby. Louisiana Proud. Cajun. Look. What does that say? Let us before we die gather up our heritage and offer it to our children before we die. That's right.
On 101 FM.
Let us before we die gather up our heritage and offer it to our children. That's right. You got to do that no matter what culture or heritage you are from. You have to offer what you got now to your kids and let them carry on the traditions. Okay, that shrimp's done. That shrimp is very done right there. It's been about 3 minutes, 4 minutes. I think it's been 5 minutes. Let me see. Yeah, it's been 5 minutes since I've been yabbing over here. That shrimp is done.
You yap your mouth a lot.
Yeah, 6 minutes on the video right now. So, yep, that shrimp is done. That's some small shrimp.
No.
To us, that's small shrimp.
No.
To us, that's small.
Not really.
To people up north and all that's not used to that Gulf shrimp down here, that fresh seafood. You know, this is big shrimp right there.
They come down here and they will eat well.
That's right. Y'all come down here to South Louisiana. That's right.
And they will eat very well.
Very well. Yeah, y'all give me a shout.
Awesome food,
yeah.
Cajun food.
We got friends of ours that come down here. They spend the weekend at our maison, our house, and they eat well. We got a friend of mine from Illinois, Kirk Neats. Got to give him a big shout out. He's got the So Perfect Cedar. He invented it. He designed it. Let me get this right here. He designed it, invented it, designed it, and look, this is a cedar. I'm gonna post a link to his video on this. Man, that is awesome right there. You can plant a garden with that in no time. I'm gonna post a link to the video on that. And his link to go buy one.
Gonna have 10 coming up soon.
And we got some coming for the Bayou Garden to get together later on. So, alright. I guess we're gonna end this on this note with the fried shrimp, the chevrettes. We'll catch y'all Plutarch.